Good morning, students. Today we are going to see exercise 3.2. Okay, first Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Okay, you can take your textbook. From the textbooks you can view very easily. Okay, the addition of minus 7b and 2b is. Addition of minus 7b and 2b is. So when you add this, what you will get the value. Okay, one is plus and one is minus. So what we used to do, we used to subtract from the big number to small number, and what is the sign of the big number, that we used to write it. Okay, so minus 7b and 2b. So what will be the answer? Minus 5b. Is it clear? The next one is the subtraction of 5m from minus 3m is. So you are going to subtract the 5m from minus 3m. So always remember, from what value is given, from that value only we used to take the first number. Okay, so minus 3m. So write minus 3m first and then minus 5m. That means you are going to subtract the 3m, 5m. Okay, so what you will be getting the answer? Minus 8m. This is also the properties of the addition and subtraction. So what we used to do here is, when we have 2 minus, you have to add it and you should put the minus sign. Is it clear? So minus 3m minus 5m is minus 8m. Okay, and then the third one, the additive inverse of minus 37xyz. So additive inverse means what we used to do, if it is given minus here, we used to write the plus. Okay, so the answer is 37 x, y and z. It's clear, ma, because already we have discussed this in the Google Meet. Okay, but in the Google Meet I am able to see only nearly 20 or 21 students. But in the Google Classroom we have nearly more than 50 students. So for those children, again I am doing the same process once again as a video. Okay, because already we have discussed all these sums in the Google Meet. So the people who have attended in the Google Meet, they will be very clear. The children who have not attended, for them again we are trying and we are making you to clear the topic. Okay, so listen carefully. Now the next part is true or false. So whether we should write it, whether the given statement is true or false. Okay, the expressions 8x plus 3y and 7x plus 2y cannot be added. Okay, nalla padinga. The expressions they have given 8x plus 3y, 7x plus 2y. So what they are telling is, we could not add this. Why we could not add this? Because the variables are same, 8x, 7x, 3y, 2y. So I can add, but it is given cannot. So it is false. It's clear. Now second one, if x is a natural number, then x plus 1 is the predecessor. If x is a natural number, that means the natural number starts with 1, we know. So if x is a natural number, suppose I take the number to be 1. Then what is telling? X plus 1 is its predecessor is telling. If I take x is 1, the value is 2. So 2 is coming after 1. So that is a successor. But it is given here, it is predecessor. So it is false. Purinjudha? X வந்து natural number. X ஓட 1 add பண்ணோம்னா it is coming 2. அப்ப 2ங்கிறது வந்து 1க்கு predecessor successor. 2ங்கிறது வந்து 1 ஓட successor இல்லையா? But it is given predecessor. So அதனால நம்ம என்ன எழுதுறோம்? False. Now, sum of a minus b plus c and minus a plus b minus c is 0, it's given. இது 0 வா? We can see very simple way, like a is and minus a. We can cancel, because while adding or plus or minus irundha, normally what we used to do, we can cancel that. So a minus b, b, c minus c. So I have cancelled all the values. So we'll be getting the value as 0. So it is true. It is clear, ma? So you can copy these answers in your textbook. But you no need to write in the classwork, because this part is there in the textbook itself. That's why I have shown the textbook directly to you. So you can take down the answers in the textbook. Okay. The next is sum solve. We will work out on the board, so that you can copy it very easily. Is it clear? Thank you.